Okay, we are here in the butterfly farm. I hope you can see all those butterflies flying. Yeah, one. Cannot count on it. Hat tayo? Wow! Si RD nagma-moment. I'm not taking pictures, I'm taking videos. Hmm. Alright. Well, actually, there are a lot. Sana nakikita siya sa video, diba? That's Phoebe, this is Evan, this is RD, and I say bye.